Hey there, first I want to say that this is a very simple project. I found some stuff around the shop that was just laying around, and I wanted to make something for my entryway table to my house to throw my stuff in when I get home, because I got nowhere to put it. So this is very simple, like I said, nothing much to it. All you have to do is use a little bit of imagination, a few scraps, a little bit of trash, stuff that you would have normally thrown away. If you have a little welder, you could weld stuff together and put wood on top or whatever you want to do. But this piece of wood here, I flattened many times, and it always wanted to be a bowl. It always went back to this shape. So I figured I'd stop the fight, stop arguing with it and fighting with it and trying to get it to be something it didn't want to be. So here it is, it's a bowl. I guess it's a bowl, little bowl table kind of thing. It's a catch-all for when I get home and I want to throw my stuff down and leave the next morning and have it all in one spot. So that's what this is all about. Nothing much to it. It's not going to break the internet. It's not going to inspire anything other than putting stuff together that you might normally not put together in regular situations. So enjoy it. Here's how I did it, and it'll be a quick one, so enjoy it.